Zandar so mariche pa kanuin kapate te tuicheng turin te hai ka endon ni hi kan lo hung chau o. Mom, say hi.
Hi. Where's your shoes?
Here. Apotanti lawa kanuya check tu du sia dar so marito hai ka endon ni hi. Nagtuzinga, Mom, what are we gonna do in the morning? Tell them. What are we gonna do in the morning?
Well,
We're
if
gonna...
I survive tonight, we're going to do canning corn.
Yeah, nagtuka Vaimim kan la don. Yeah. Or go ahead. Okay, kapate twinching. Dona, Daddy, and Uncle Dan gonna swim. Let's find out how they feel about our water. Kafe enang oh. Kanuan che turi da tita da gives ke line ko ita to okay. Okay, Mom's gonna get in.
Yeah, the water is really good. Wow, Mom.
Vedona, first time ever Daddy is inside the pool. Did you able to feel the step?
Yeah.
Alut ngam ngai lawa. Oh, how did you get in without another step? Oh, Daddy's inside the pool. Zao, are you going to swim too?
No, it's bedtime.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Why? It's not cold.
Yeah, it is. Cold.
It's not cold. It's warm.
Alright, love you guys.
Daddy, is it cold or what? Avodami. Is it cold?
It's cold.
Daddy. Mom, stop it. I think you don't want. Kapatid, kumtir pe to bahay. Kapatid. Daddy, what you doing? No, it's warm. It's just that first when you get in, then the more you get in, it's not gonna be cold. I think you're old. You are also putter.
Oh my God.
Yeah, a little.
Look at Daddy. Hi, putter. Oh my God. Kamutsa lang eh. You guys have fun. See? Yeah. Mom, climb up. Mom, you gotta fall down, Mom. Oh my God, stop it. Oh my God, my stomach pumana. Oh my God, that's so crazy. You guys have fun though. I'll go upstairs. Good night.
Hang on.
Mom, stop it. Okay,
No.
climb up, Mom.
I am.
Flash go na hey. Let me turn on the flash.
You take
Oh,
put one
this is
hand-
what happened when you get older. That's how you start. Mom, climb up. You can do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, good job, Mom. Woo! You did it. I think neighbor can't sleep. What about you, Putter? How are you going to swim?
I'm floating.
You see how he fought? Mom, he said he's floating and he's walking in the water. Ka-floating ka niya. Oh my God, you're so fake. Ay, oh my God. Hi, kan channel kalolom le chawa ino dam vekem Vaimim kan lai do na tam daw su kan pala do na hazing dar riad letinia kan wal zau cha ka bung ko la huwa ma se ni sahi ka ti thela sunscreen point mai mai la ka mai hi adik law ka thu to ka to mai chu kan uluk law to mo chu wangin lu khum deng khum ve ni hem kan te kan na hu non cheu na Mom, where are we going? Forgot.
To get corn, Bethany.
Bethany, right? Like
Yep.
few minutes drive?
Yep.
Maybe 10 minutes. Anting kung nalsiya hi anti dan mo. Hey Christmas tree man and those are true na kanya going to Vaimim kan lay doon ni. Oh look at that. Vaimim and those are ni.
We'll be busy.
Yeah. Mom, how many you gonna buy?
8.
8 piece.
Yeah.
Hey Vaimim kan lay ya. Hey lay po hi kan
Our
lay
air
ya.
conditioner in the shed, which is like a big wall unit.
Hey kan ho don siya Vaimim chu kan la to kan ho na te kan khe te kan lau ti langa. Mom, how much is that?
$7 a bag.
How many pieces?
12.
Big
12
pakata 12 som pani oma jon jeng sari zel jeng sari ju India poisa kanin dollar khat ka som sari pangane he siran kalau ti langa azat khani mai oh
And we bought 8.
we bought 8 right yeah pariat
8
bake
dozen.
yeah bake riat kan lay ni chu mo for what
$7. Oh, to freeze.
Sorry, yeah.
Put in the freezer to
yeah
eat.
yeah to eat like for the winter and all right
Yes.
because in winter they won't have like fresh corn anymore.
Yep.
Fresh corn thì không tụi nó winter sa chú vàng in cầm vào lấy khô ni mo. John, we'll go home and walk, kill the corn.
That's right.
Hey, kan keng chia. We finally arrived home. Here is the corn. Hey, kan con lấy hậu khan ni ta mo. Hey, hey, kan hàng keng ấy oh. Hey. Get all the hair out.
Yep.
Looks so good.
And then we rinse it. Once we blanch it.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
What you doing? Why you have so many corn? Mom is too afraid we will get starved, I guess. Right?
Yep.
I think all the moms feel that way. Look at yeah. Look at that! Look at the hair! Oh, that's so... I'm sure they're gonna be yummy. Sweet corn,
So we're
yummy.
gonna have some for dinner then.
Yeah. I wanna be like... Ano hindi narakan? Eh, doon niya. So... You wanna, what? Grill it or bake it or boil it? There? I feel like I like it when it's boiled.
Yep, I can boil it too. I like it anyway.
Bake at home, we boil the whole thing like this. Like this. We just
Yeah,
really
with
do
the
like that.
skins on it.
Yeah, and then after it's cooked, we just peel it, and it's easier. The hair come off further. Mom's gonna get 10 now, I think, because the sun is. I'm darker skin. Itu ka hang tawa ka nu chu ye asem ha you kind of red already on it, like, the sun
On my virgin skin.
virgin skin. Hey, kan tito ho mo. A chen hi kan frozen ang a chen lai chum to nia kan lei khon chan tu. The reason we buy this stuff is because of they say maybe like some trucks and all.
Yeah, people aren't. There might be semis that aren't able to bring our groceries, so I'm stocking
Hey,
up.
truck liam pui te grocery de long keng thei lau te ang om ta khan ti vel ang om don ti vel te khan news kha ma kan nu kha lau thong hia chu wangin he kan store lo People would think we are selling. If we go and buy in the Walmart, is it gonna be more cost or?
Probably. And it might not be as good.
It's so big, ang yan sin. Right? This one is so big. Sometimes they got worms, you think?
Yeah, these don't. These are very nice.
Qua cái khe chân chú cái ní chân hi cái là xe rất là mình dấu cho anh đi sao không cho anh Heng tiang akor yan me yan tia in chuan.
Look, it's starting to grow.
Maybe we can cut off putting here. Oh. Maybe we will have to empty this one so that we don't break the plastic bag.
Yeah, we can just set them on there. Yeah.
Huh?
So we just set 'em.
Yeah, I was thinking do that one for now and then. Mommy, when the water come out on my finger, they're kind of like really sticky. That is it because they're like
Corn is sticky and sweet.
sweet corn, sugar, good sugar.
Natural sugar.
Yeah, sugar. 이건 keto 하원이야 간다 huncho. So far, here, ito po. John again. John hey kan keto ako raw ka. Dahil dasi lang. It was horrible. I feel like I'm ready for food now. It's hot. What are you cooking for them?
I was gonna take steaks out and make that.
How many? 3, 4.
Oh, there's
Four more bag, right?
yeah,
Yeah, this is no 4 more bag. You have 1.
right.
There's 2, 3, 4. This is the
The one you're working
yeah.
on.
That's good. Johnny and Ziplo ka kanda nga train hi kan and now don't need to in thinking anti don ha kan mal don multimedia kan zai thavek nga kan store nga train he pumin store kam da frozen don mo. Hey chua kala lu zo cha a train kitchen counter ka da tam khop me a corport garbage bag ni nya. Hey John basket kaya tangi ka manti kha in lo sha do ta kin ha niya. Ka video rom po sa khan he thei te da na ka mga puana khai la ka ngai le ka mang le ka he hai ko ko bala ni ya chu ka chung den the na ai ngai lo wa ke ma in ni me ai mo a pon sia hi kan da chan chu khan at ki rau tu a mo ti hian a rau se a rau hi pani chu puan han ha ba han ba ka te bu hang da kha chu a var box sia
And then you scrape
a
it.
ban ta ti kan sa.
You get all the juices out of it.
That's good.
No waste.
Hana ziyata ziyat zawa ziplo ka da se ni mo ilai. Skana di kan tui ve nge kai ka lau sil char char boka tur tam ve lu to ka hin. How was your golfing? Is it good?
No,
That's how take golfing ang kala nuam lawati why?
it's a bad day.
Bad days. Ava careful vak law hayron pum na sa khop may mo.
What I'm gonna do is leave them in the water and just push them back and let them.
Hey, but ni kan chuma chan chu bel phadaling lawa chum chau hang an da sa da mo sweet corn and we do pani.
Oh, I'm going to leave this in the hot water until we're ready to eat dinner, and
Okay.
it'll just continue to soften, cook.
Yeah. Wow, steak. Hey, ka request by me.
Top sirloin.
Wait, you just put soya sauce and
Yeah,
garlic.
soy sauce, garlic. I'm gonna put the pepper on it in just a little while. I just want to get it nice.
Okay. Hello, hello. Chicken, chicken. Yeah, we're gonna put in fryer and more crunchy. Wow, that's big. Oh my god. Hey, kan zote hidal zawato ni nge kate se. Hey, Mizoram, stop. Mizoram. Oh my god. Oh my god, you need to go back to jungle. Mizoram, you're so cute, I know, but you're so mean. Look, he's trying to attack me. What's it? When you first come home, you behave so good.
I think I'd like to pet one, yeah.
Where are you closing your face? Where is that cat?
Green beans, zucchinis,
Where are you closing your face? Huh?
Take my eyeball.
Eyeballs from the cat?
Yeah.
Zote siya lao to ka mic.
Yeah. They're, they still do plants? They still do plants, stuff, but they do vegetables.
Hey, in the weekends niya movie ka na mo. You're watching a movie.
Yeah, for $45, you bring
Hey, Vaimim to ready to ah? Wait, I'll borrow that. Hey, steak. Hey, devil egg kanu na siyama.
barbecue sauce.
Artui chum ha. Shang spices ka pula chon artui chum. Akora khana judaleta. Tu ye mema. Hey, kanu steak. Cut belt ese oh. Look at that. Wow. That looks good, huh?
No? No?
Can cut
Tory?
bits. No. I'm gonna eat without butter.
Oh.
And kapatid ito ang butter and touch na an Vaimim yan. We call Vaimim so hey steak to kay to overcook ka do bang yan hey fryer ka dalya. Ba. So good.
Sounds like my wife.
Hmm?
Never heard the frog make that kind of noise before.
I feel the frog in the kitchen.
Uncle Dan's here.
I think who fart? Papa.
They blame it on Uncle Dan.
What are you eating? Only half corn when your wife eat two. Oh, do you like it? Do you like your mom cooking? Eat. Mukbang.